Have a great day to dear friends, followers, listeners, and the traders over you all. Hope all will find you doing very awesome trading. Today going to show you an awesome strategy which based on involves, and this strategy is really very awesome strategy. You guys need to set up this strategy on your MT5 trading mobile and also PC trading terminal. If you want to use on PC, it's really awesome. If you want to use on a mobile device, no problem. You can use this strategy. It's very frankly, and you can look what the zoom level will be on your chart, so it's very easy. I will show you the zoom level will be like here. Look here at the full, and look here, zoom in and look here. Okay, this will be your level. Okay, right now what the setting of the strategy, how to use or how we work using this strategy. Let's go in indicator section. Okay guys, and in the indicator section we'll see how this strategy actually works and how we are going to make profit using this strategy. So first of all, I will show you the setting of involve. So the first involve, you need to choose the period is 50, sheet 0, and deviation will be 583. Method will be multiply to close, and pixel 444. Choose the same, please note, and take the screenshots. Click on done. Okay, the second one. Look at the second one, 52.283. So multiply to close, and the color will be black. Please take the screenshot and save, so you guys set up the strategy very easily. Click on done. Come on the third one, 52.883. So multiply to close and click on done. Please take screenshots. The fourth one will be 50. So the vision will be 5.383, and the pixel, and choose any color you like, no problem. Take the screenshots, you guys easily set up on your chart. Done. The last one is the fifth one, and the look here, the period will be 82.383. So multiply to close the pixel 4, and the color will be as you wish. How actually this thing works? This thing works like says support and resistance. Okay, this strategy also looking support and resistance, and it's very easy and very simple to work using this strategy. So you guys, let's start and see how actually this thing works. Okay guys, right now that market is going where, look at M15 time frame. Right now that market is rising upward. Look here is your support area. Using this strategy, the downward will be support area, then upward will be resistance area. Using this strategy, when you see that market is touching the upward, okay, the resistance level, and touch this involved, so it means that market is going where, downside. Look here, right now that market is reaching at resistance level. Look here, that resistance level. Okay, and once we seen that market is reaching the resistance, okay, when you confirm that market is reaching the resistance level, so what we do, we will take the buy trade using this strategy. Look here, we just took the sell trade because this market is reaching the resistance, and right now is going back to buy, back to support. So it means that we are going to take the sell position from resistance to support area. It's really very easy. When you see that market is at support area, take the buy position and make the money. And look here, a lot of example when market touch this resistance area using this strategy, resistance area, and market is start going down. Look here, so it's the confirmation of a sale. And look here how much pips you made using this strategy till the support. So this is a very awesome and very easy strategy if you guys want to make profit using this strategy. Look here also for scalper, if you want to scalp, look here from resistance until the support is going continuously down. If you want to take exit at this point, look here how many pips. Okay, and here is the one more example in the area, and from support area we took the buy entry, and look here the buy is going upward, continuously is going up. And from resistance, look here is the sell position from resistance area, and look here how awesome and cool pips. Okay guys, and market start going down with the sale. Always pick the entry from support and resistance. Okay, look here the resistance area, and how awesome people of scalping using this strategy. And look here, and one marquee touch the support area, so it means that you have to go for buy position, and one marquee touch the resistance, you need to go for sell. And look here, this strategy is helping you to easily predict the support and resistance and also make awesome pips. So if you guys want to make awesome pips, use this strategy, the same setting we just told you guys, and apply on your chart any time frame, but I recommend M15. Okay, M15 is for scalping, day trading, H1, H4. If you guys want to use this, it is for all volatility pairs. A lot of people ask me this is on which pair, so please, this is for volatility all indexes. Look here, our sale, we started the sale, and look here, the sale is just running in profit. Okay, this is from resistance, and we holding this trade because look here, the confirmation, we just confirmed this is the resistance involves, and we just seen that the market is touching this area and want to go back, so we enter this position, and look here, this position is running in profit. So that's the way how you guys make profit. Okay, I hope you guys understand. If still have any question, please check the description link of our YouTube channel. You guys contact with us and we'll help you to understand easily this strategy, how it works and how helpful for you. So please make sure you guys have set up the accurate involved setting as I told you in the start of this video of indicator section. The 5 involves you just need to add, no any extra indicator, no any other tool, you just need to add the involves and just go with these involves and make awesome profit. Okay guys, I hope you guys understand and you guys will make profit. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and press the bell icon so you guys receive the latest videos notification.